Hi, I'm Dr. Stuart Cox.
And I'm Dr. Jared Norman, and we're with Nevada Spine and Disc. We'd like to give you a chiropractic tip. One question I get asked all the time is, what's a good stretch for my low back? Now that's a really good question, and what I've found is that there's really two muscles that can create a lot of low back pain, and that's your glute muscles and your piriformis muscle. The piriformis muscle is just below the glute muscle, so I'm going to show you two different ways to stretch these two muscles. So the first way is, and it's actually the most effective way, is to lay down on your back. You can do this, most commonly is done on your bed. You're going to lay down, you're going to grab one knee, and you're going to pull it up to your chest. And as you stretch this muscle, as you do this, you'll feel it stretching right here in the middle of your glute muscle. And then you're going to hold that for about 20 seconds. Then what you're going to do is you're going to pull that knee across your body to the other side. And that's where you're going to feel it more on the side here. And that's stretching your piriformis muscle. And you're going to hold that for 20 seconds. And you're going to do that on both sides. That's actually the best way to stretch these muscles. But you're not always close to a bed or a place that you can lay down and do this stretch. So if you're at work and you're getting that tight low back, you can also do it in your chair. You're just going to cross your leg like this. Then you're going to pull that knee. Once again, you're going to pull it up to your chest like this. Okay? And that, once again, is going to stretch these butt muscles, the glute and the piriformis. And then another way is you just sit upright like this with your leg crossed. Keep your back nice and straight, and then you're just going to lean forward. Okay? And that's going to stretch that same area, your glute muscles, your piriformis muscle, and that's really going to loosen up that low back and really help you to manage that low back pain that you're dealing with.
If you're experiencing symptoms of neck pain with radiating pain down into the arms or hands, numbness and tingling as well, if you're having those types of symptoms in your lower back where you are experiencing pain into the buttock area, leg, foot, these symptoms relate to a condition that has to do with the herniation or possibly bulging discs. I've had patients ask me, are there any alternatives to surgery for having this problem resolved? And the answer to that is yes, there are. The table that I'm sitting on is a spine med table, which is a non-surgical spinal decompression, which takes the disc, the herniated disc or bulging disc, and retracts that material, taking it off of the nerve and back into the disc. If you're interested in a resolution for your problem with disc herniations, disc bulges that are causing this type of pain, numbness, and tingling, I would recommend that you find someone who has the spine med table, as it is the most advanced technology that's out there today.
80% of people will experience back pain at some point in their lives. Many people are commonly misled that going to a medical doctor's office is the only way to relieve this pain. At a medical doctor's office, you will receive pain medication and muscle relaxers. While those do a great job at covering up the symptoms that you're experiencing, they don't do anything to fix the problem, the actual problem in your body that's causing the pain. Going to a chiropractor's office, they will perform an examination, they'll take x-rays, and they'll be able to uncover what exactly is going on in your body. What is causing the pain? That's what we'll be able to find out. And once we find that out, we'll be able to perform different types of treatment to be able to correct those problems so that we'll actually fix the problem and then the pain will go away through the correction instead of just covering it up with the pain medication. They'll do all these different kinds of treatments to fix the problem so that this back pain, the neck pain, will go away and won't come back.
If you've liked what you've heard and you'd like to know more, visit us at stopthebackpainnow.com.